So I've just done my morning run. Okay, I haven't. Morning walk. And one of the things that I wanted to say is, on my Greek retreat, do you know one thing we don't do? Morning runs. We do quite a lot of exercise, but not morning runs. No, too hot, I think. We have got friends that come along that do morning runs, but it's not my choice. And that's the fantastic thing about being on retreat. You choose. I'll give you an agenda. I'll tell you all the different things that you could do. For instance, early morning meditation, looking out at a view like this on the Ionian Sea in a purpose-built air-conditioned studio. And you can join us or not. Then in the morning we have early morning Pilates, and you can join us or not. Then we go and totter off for a little bit of breakfast. You can join us, I'm sure you will. Greek breakfast. Who doesn't love Greek breakfast? So healthy, so nutritious, and made by the beautiful host Oriana. She prepares the food lovingly every day. I got sidetracked with food. After breakfast, we then go and spend time exploring, walking down to the local beach, which is our own private beach in Greece. It is incredible. It is quite a walk, so I would call that my exercise of the day. And once you get there, you can read, you can swim, you can definitely get into the water, but you do need those little extra boots. You know, those little shoes that get you into the water, because it's a tad stony in Greece. After that exploration, that wonderful day in the sun, if that's what you choose, or reading or meditating, we then come back in the afternoon for some well-being sessions where we talk about all sorts of things, and you get to choose that as well. So I again will give you the list of all the things that we'll talk about, all the well-being topics that you could want to discuss. For instance, sleep, how to get more of it, how to feel less stressed, how to carve out some time just for you, how to relax, how to make that change. All these wonderful things that's going to help you in your everyday, our well-being sessions. And then yoga, divine yoga. And the end of the day is finished with some amazing, I'm going to get sidetracked again, food from Oriana. Greek food from our host Oriana, lovingly prepared, brought from all over the island of Lefkada, and it is incredible. She just puts on amazing feasts. So come and join me. I would love it if you came and joined me at the Ionian Sea on my Greek retreat in October. I mean, when do you get weather like this in October? Certainly not in the UK. So come and join me. It is a 5-star villa complex. Every villa has its own infinity pool. Mind-blowing. Each villa has got 3 rooms, so if you want to bring friends, be quick, because these villas sell out quick. But every villa has its own kitchen, it has its own balcony, it has its own space, it has its own villa, it has its own pool. I've said that. It is a magical space, and Oriana tells me that it's a very sacred space. It's a very medicinal, rejuvenating space. All the retreat venues that I choose are all magical. The Greek one is very, very special. We're on a triad, apparently, of 3 islands, and it's all to do with the Greek god Zeus, and who doesn't buy into that? It is amazing. So if you're interested in the Greek retreat, do please get in touch very, very quickly, because spaces are going fast. Bye.